How to get 5-star Bolt driver ratings. Hey everybody, if you'd like to achieve a 5-star rating as a Bolt driver, in today's video we will be giving you tips on how to. So if you're a driver and if you have access to Bolt application as a driver, the thing is you need to focus on providing excellent customer service and maintaining a positive attitude for that. And you can also find some tips in their website. Look out for their website, and there you will be finding some of the tips. One of them is communicating with the rider, so you can just head over and communicate effectively. Let the passenger know you have arrived and communicate clearly about any potential delays. You can just head over and follow the steps. After that, leave a good impression from the get go as well. Just go ahead and arrive at time. Be at the pickup location within the estimated time frame. In that way, you can leave a good impression on your customer. After that, if you have, you can just go ahead and exchange pleasantries. It does not cost anything to say hello or to wish someone a nice day. You can just go and look out for that. And after that, be polite and kind. It is one of the most basic etiquette as a human being that you can follow up, even as a driver. That can leave a very good mark on your customer. After that, prioritize passengers customer during the ride. Try to make your rider as comfortable as possible. Politely offer them to make the choice, to your passengers, etc. And keep your car clean. Cleanliness is also very important. And stay calm. There is no reason to get irritated about things you cannot change, and converse when you're not in it alone. So look out, just go ahead and at last, but least, just go ahead and drive safe. This is one of the most important ways that you can follow up. So these are some of the tips and tricks you can follow up if you want like to get a 5-star Bolt driver ratings. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.